Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to use the new Fun Alphabet sticker book from Planything to make a Christmas page. I like to have some fun pages, especially around the holidays, like little to-do lists and checklists and stuff. So I'm going to use Fun Alphabet. I'm going to use also this wonderful Christmas time book, which unfortunately is no longer available. But if you like the aesthetic of this, definitely check out Planything's other books, because she's got amazing sticker books. This one actually is half off right now, so 50% off their select 50% off sticker books on her website. And then this new one right here, you can get 10% off with my discount code. So definitely check it out. There's some good sales, Black Friday sales going on right now, so you can head over there and see if there's anything you would like to purchase. But I'm going to use this book. I'm really loving the alphabet styles in here. They're really cool, and I really love this one the most because it just reminds me of like my font style that I like to use when it comes to quotes and stuff. So as you can see, I already pulled Christmas, and it's really cool because in here you have options of like either having some with the little stars, some without, so you can mix and match it the way you want, make it exactly how you want. There's lowercase, there's uppercase, you kind of have all the things in this book. So I'm loving that, like the variety in here. So I have this Christmas because I want to make sure it would fit, because I plan on putting it on this side going like this. So that's what I'm going to do right now, is I'm just going to put this down. Oops. Hopefully somewhat straight. This part take a little bit of time actually, now that I'm thinking about it. I'm going to try to do it, most of it on camera. It doesn't have to be super perfect, but yeah. Okay, so it's looking like this should be good. Okay, that's why I like using the wax paper, because it really helps to like map things out. Make sure everything is good. Yeah. Do a little T. Actually, I'm gonna go a little bit more. Oops. T. And then I'm gonna do like boxes and some decorative stickers just to make it more Christmassy feeling. And just have like a little to-do list for Christmas, which is always super helpful. Okay, so I got Christmas. Perfect. And then I plan on using like the smaller font to maybe do like headers. We'll see. But let me go in this book. Again, it's not available anymore, but it's got really cute designs for Christmas. And I love this page right here with all the cute little animals. Super adorable. And like the trees. Love that. So, oh, and also there's boxes in here. So let me grab this one. I really like this gray. So let's put this, oops, sorry. Put them there, and then I'm going to do a little circle. Okay, and then I want to put like some a decorative sticker up here. So let's do this little tree. So I already have my tree up. I just don't have any decorations on it yet. I just put it up. I just like having it like up and, you know, the lights on. That's kind of all I need right now. But I'm going to put ornaments up and all that. I actually have to put another strand of lights because one of my lights is going out. So I have to deal with that this Christmas. Fun times. Okay. Oh, I actually like this screen. I might pull in this screen. There's a couple of sections of boxes, but I'm liking the black. Oh, actually this screen's fine too. Do I like this green more or this green more? I think I like this deeper green. Yeah. Okay, so let me put this here. Actually, let me go a little bit higher. Should I do this one too? Okay, and then let me get a decorative sticker. I could put maybe this whole piece. So right now I'm just putting boxes down, and then I will label them in a little bit. So that looks good. Okay, let me go back to the boxes. I need a bigger, oh, there's not any bigger ones. Okay. So I could do another one of these longer ones. Another listy kind of box here in the middle. Really crooked. Let me fix that. Just like going too much to the left. Okay. Oops. All right, so that's gonna have to do. And then I will get a gray box, layer this one over here, like so. Okay, and then let me get another decorative sticker. Which one do I want to do? Okay, it needs to fit in this little section because I didn't really leave myself too much room. Let's see this little dog, if he'll fit up here. Yeah, he fits. Okay, and then maybe I could do this little cup. Okay, that works. So let me see. Now I need to think about the things that I want to put in these sections. So I'm gonna go back to the, so I actually haven't thought of that yet. I think I want something for, maybe like to buy a wrap list. Okay, let's just do, let me just go to here. Let's see, let me go to buy. Maybe T. Okay, so I'm gonna do all lowercase. So again, I'm gonna pick the ones with, like, some of them are gonna have little stars and some of them won't. Just kind of mix and match them. This one I'm gonna grab just the regular T, put it on my wax paper, and then go to O. I want one with the little stars. So T-O, and then buy. Okay, I'll get a regular B. B, and then a U. So I have to do this upside down. So it's easier. I find it easier to pull stickers off upside down. So sorry if that's annoying, but it works for me. B-U-Y. Okay, Y. I'm just gonna do a regular Y. And you get 2 pages of each of these. Oh geez, I ripped it wrong. Oh no, I messed that one up. Okay. Let me do it off camera. It's a little bit easier too. Okay, so to buy. I was thinking of just like putting it on the sides, kind of mimicking this style of like this placement. So let's see. I guess I'll start. I'm just gonna start it here. To buy. And these I'll just leave blank for like any other note-taking needs. I think I'm just gonna label, yeah, these longer lists. I feel like that makes sense. because I can actually write like use the whole side to write these things. Okay, to buy. Cool. And then over here, although I think I kind of want it, that's fine. I'm gonna put on this one to wrap on this one. So I think I want to grab kind of the opposite. So I'm going to start with the T that has the little stars. There's like a Amazon truck outside backing up. Actually, no, that's not Amazon. They have like a weird, like it sounds like a duck when they back up. Okay, so this one's going to be to wrap. Little wrap list. Do I want a W with the stars? Yeah, I'm gonna do W with stars. W R. Oops, don't want to like mess it up like I did the last one. Oh, grab from here. Okay, I need to do it closer to me. It's just easier. Okay, there it goes. Wrap. I try to do as much as I can on camera, but sometimes it's just easier to have it right close to your face. Okay, I'm gonna grab a regular A and then a P with stars. I love this font so much. It's so pretty. P with stars. Okay. And these I'm just going to put down. I'm just gonna eyeball it. 2. Actually, I don't know. Maybe I should start from here with the back. So I feel like I'm gonna run out of room. Oops. Wrap. Yeah, I'm gonna have to scoot it down just a little bit. Two. Oh my god, did I put this? I put this upside down. I was like, why does that look funny? Okay, that's better. Or put it backwards, technically. Okay, to wrap, and then I'm just gonna move this just a little bit. So it's not like touching. I don't like things to touch when they're not supposed to touch, you know? Okay, so that works. To wrap, to buy. Although I feel like now I should have these a lot closer. So let me fix that. These come off very nicely. No problems. O and then PT. If you have this book, I was thinking of another combo, another one that I was thinking of doing was maybe like a gift list. Was this really cute section right here with these, like the animals and the girls. That one's so pretty. It's just fun. And then maybe using combo of like these letters would have been fun. I was contemplating doing these together, but then I really love this lettering so much. I just think it's so pretty. Okay, I think that's it. That's gonna be it for this spread. Let me just double check. I don't think there's anything else I wanted to add. I don't think there's like, oh, there's like little, I could do some of these. Okay, so scratch that. I'm not completely done. I think I can hang some of these like little ornaments just to fill in this space over here, because I have this space. So I'm just gonna grab some that kind of go with this theme. Got like this little like white one, and then I can do another like green one. Seems like a dark green. Cute. Do that one. Hanging a little bit lower. And then I like to take, like you can take a ruler, or if you have like a gift card. I have like a little washi cutter from Live Love Posh. Take one of these and draw some like strings going down, like they're hanging. So let me grab a pen. Make sure it works, because my pens have been, I've had these pens for like years, and they are starting to die out. Okay, I'm just gonna use this one. I just got this pen. All right, so I'm just gonna draw little lines going down like so. So they look like they're hanging off the page. Okay, and then I'm just gonna draw, bows here. Like little, like tie it off kind of bows here. Okay, cute. Now it's done. All right, so that's gonna be my little Christmas page. I love how it turned out. I love this like simple kind of lettering. This is totally, I would love a book just of this kind of lettering. It's my favorite. All right, so that's gonna be it. Again, this book, it came out today. I have a 10% off code if you want to use it. It's a huge book. It's 60 pages in this book, and there's lots of fun font styles in here. I have a flip through if you want to check that out. And then definitely check out all these sticker books that are 50% off right now. I believe, like I said, it's this one. I think also this one is available too. There's like a Halloween one. So definitely check it out. But that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next video.